You are looking at the pond. I just finished putting in some tarp for the lining. Yeah, I don't have a high budget pond here. And so, yeah, it's just a habitat for nature. And so, yeah, I have used a bunch of tarps to line it right now. And I have pinned around the edges, or the edge, one continuous edge. Yeah, I have pinned around the edge. And what I'm going to do next is get my scissors, and then I'm just going to go around and cut off all the excess fabric or tarp that extends past the pins on the edge. Okay, so as I told you guys earlier, I actually put the tarp down and as my liner before the pool liner, the ultimate liner. And it's going to rain right now, and I don't want water to get caught in here with the tarps. If not, they're going to float, and I'm going to have a hard time getting the pond, really, pool, yeah, pond liner in. So it's starting to rain. I'm going to go grab the liner, and we're going to get it out. Here we go, here we go. It is very, very heavy, my friends. Yeah, that's it. I was even supposed to cut the edges. I didn't get to do it yet, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and get this baby out. Do I have time for reading? Well, just some suggestions here. We don't have any water runoff here, and we have a healthy balance of sun and shade. Well, I think we have about 24 inches from the center there. We're good. We're going to go ahead and open up this baby. Okay. It is heavy. It is so heavy. Oh, there you go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Huh. Oh no. Is this the... Oh goodness, I left my measuring tape. I'm just wondering if this cannot be the 20. I'm going to go grab a measuring tape. I just want to see if this is the length or the width. fruition tape is not behaving yourself. Now behave yourself. Come on. Oh, it's twisting all over the place. Okay, I'm going to keep going anyways. Oh, okay. For a bit, I was a bit frightened. But this is the width, not the length. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it around. Yeah, so it goes across like this. That's better. Anyways, I take this stone out. Okay, take this out. And this. So I just want to open it and get a few stones on it so that the water doesn't get on the tarp. I'll take the shoes off. Okay. Doing it all by myself. When our younger son was younger and you would want to do anything for him, he would say, do it self, mommy, do it self, do it self. So mommy is doing it self right now. Oh. Okay. And I'm here wondering, what is the wrong side? What is the right side? I think this is the right side, the shinier side. Do you think, guys? If not, why would they fold it like this? Oh, this almost looks like it's a two-person job. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, goodness. It's like the two layers are stuck together. nice if I had somebody else to help me, but nobody wants to help. Oh Lord. It's gonna be a disaster if the rain just comes down before I'm done. Tired. Why do we have to make it like this? It's stuck together, guys. Absolutely stuck together. And I have to pull apart 10 feet of stuck togetherness. This morning, it was sweater weather because it was only 9 degrees. Right now, I'm getting hot. Oh, Lord. I'm going to show you guys this in real time. You may want to skip, but I'm going to show you guys this in real time for you to see how long it took me to unstick this thing, to unstuck this thing. So I have one son who looks like he doesn't want to get on camera, and I have my husband who is going to exercise. I wish he would exercise here and help me to get this thing unfurled. Oh Lord. And you guys have seen me done a lot of difficult things. But this thing is giving me a run for my money. That's how it is. It's usually a one-woman show, eh? A one-woman show. When you want something done, you got to be prepared to be able to do it on your own. And I think I mentioned earlier that my middle name is Determination. So I don't give up easily. Oh Lord. Oh, we're almost there, my friends. Almost there. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, gotta get my shoes. Oh, Lord. I bought a pond liner on Temu. It was horrible. Okay. Oh, Lord. I'm going to pull this towards me, and I'm going to put a brick on it. Okay. So that's held in place. Let's keep going around. Oh, there's something under here. There's a brick under here, a big stone. Okay. I'm gonna put this here. Oh. Just want to get it up on the edge a bit because I have to go down inside and make sure that it's not too tight on the inside. Oh, okay. I looked at this and I thought it was in the way and I didn't do anything about it. Now I'm hitting my foot against it. Let's move this. Okay, let's get back to this. Oh, Lord. Okay, I take my shoes back off. I'm gonna get down inside. Let's do this. Let's do this. Woo. Let's do this. Oh, whew. There is still some here that needs to be pulled apart. Okay, that's the length. Okay, so I can pull it up some more here. Okay, let's put this back on. On again, off again. And then I'll pull some at the other end. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're good with that. Okay. because if the rain starts now, I would have opened it. Oh. That looks a bit further than this. Well, at least now I know it's big enough. It is big enough. Okay, so I think I need to put anything else over there. Oh. Like, it's not like I'm going to try to finish off the outside. I just want to get it in. So, I'm thinking about putting some rocks inside here. The only thing, I don't want them to damage the liner. Like, I'm talking about in the inside where there's this indent. Maybe I could put like maybe 4 of them in here. Some smooth ones. This one's pretty smooth. Hey, this thing, the half is in about half the pool. Pond. I keep saying pool. What's up with you, girl? Okay, I think this one looks good, and I'm not going to drag it around. So let's put it right here. Yeah. Well, maybe I can put some smaller ones. I have some small rocks. Maybe I can get them, and I can put them around in here. They have some dirt on them, but that's okay, because I'm planning to put plants in there. So it's going to get dirty. Some tiny stones. Just to kind of mark out the indent on the inside. Do you think if I put sand there, the sand would stay there, or do you think it would float around? Let's ask Google. Nothing beats a trial but a failure. Okay, so I'm gonna get some sand. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get some sand, man. Okay, here we go with our sand. I'm thinking about putting the sand here and then putting the rocks on the sand. Oh, mosquito! I'm on my tush. The sand is probably going to go wherever it wants to go, but that's okay. I'm just trying something. Huh. Still look like a messy job. As a matter of fact, what I could do is just put sand in the whole thing here and not put the stones. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get sand to put in the whole thing here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Let's do it. your head up and smile, smile, smile. Even when the storm is raging. I'm taking shortcut this time. Oh no, it doesn't feel like I can get it in without causing some damage. So I gotta get down. Maybe a couple more of this can do it. Okay, one more. Oh lordy. I thought two more could do it, but it looks like I'm gonna have to get 3 more. So I guess I have to get 2 more. Do you ever slap the mosquito yet? And then the mosquito flies away when you open your hands? Okay, 2 more loads. 2 more buckets. So happy I was able to do this. Ah! Oh, oh lordy. Yeah, 1 more should do it. We're good. Oh, mosquito. Oh yeah, I got it. You bugger. Bury you in the sand. Okay, 1 more. Should be enough. Gotta do it by myself so I can boast, although it's not finished. But at least I'm given the materials to work with. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna take it more. If Paul said it needs more, then that's fine. He can take some more. And if he thinks it's not a good idea, then he's gonna have to take it out because I'm not taking it out. But I think this is a good thing because I'm thinking of putting some type of a feature down here. And as a matter of fact, before it rains, I may just put a big kind of block in the center here so that I have a level space to put whatever accoutrement I decide to put in there. But I'm happy with this right now. I'm so glad, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me here. I haven't had my toes in the sand for a while. The girl hasn't been to the beach for a while. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is get some rocks on the edge so that it doesn't fall over into the pond when it starts to rain. Yeah, so let's get that done. We have lots and lots of rocks around here. So we're just going to have to collect more rocks so that we can finish off the edge. Yeah, we're good. We're so good. That's good. That's so good. I think that's enough. That's enough. That is enough. That is enough. I'm looking forward to coming back and see water in it. Yeah, the only thing I might get is the thing I wanted to put in the center. Let me go and see if I can find a stepping stone. Sorry, it took me a little while because I was making some executive decisions. Oh, oh Lord. Ah, okay. I'm gonna put you over here. Oh Lordy. Oh gosh. Yeah. That's it. Just gotta let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Let it rain. Paul, my hubby, promised that he is gonna try to get a little fountain that creates a little movement in the pond, water movement. So yeah, I put that there so if anything it has a level area to put it on. Yeah, but until then I think I'm gonna go inside and get myself something to drink. I am thirsty. Yeah, right here needs something. Here. Oh, yeah, you need something right here. That's it. Let's go up from our aerial view, the big rock. I should have a name for this rock. And check out what's going on down there. There we go. It's coming together. Yeah, it's coming together. It's not the biggest or the deepest pond because we won't be able to winterize it because it's not deep enough. But that's okay. I'm good with that for now. So that's all she wrote. See you later, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I appreciate your presence. Oh, I'm looking over there and thinking I need another rock over there. So I may move that one from there, put it a little further over. Because I just don't want this thing to go down when the rain, the weight of the water hits it.